Ito yung descent from Likungan papunta ng Amburayan River. Based sa itinerary, it would take 1 hour to get to Amburayan River. And after that, probably take a dip. Hindi pala probably. I will take a dip into the Amburayan River. Be blessed by the waters of Benguet and Ilocos Sur. Then after 2 more hours of hiking going to La Union, ascent na yan. Ascent, tapos babaybayin namin yung ilog.